to Wellside Classic and Sports Car, part of Thompson & Smith. Today we're pleased to offer this 2003 Mercedes SL55 AMG. Car's finished in brilliant silver with anthracite leather. It's a car we've sold previously twice. Great service history, nice history file with it, with almost all of the old MOT certificates as well. So it's finished in brilliant silver, as we said, and it's got these turbine alloy wheels which are all in great condition. Tyres are all Michelin Pirelli P0s. Paintwork is almost flawless, just a few stone chips on the front end which I'll try and pick up, but they're that small you'll hardly notice them. No scuffs on the bumper corners and no damage on the wheels. So as we come across the front of the bonnet, just those couple of chips, you might just see them there, that's all, but it looks fairly all original paintwork to me. If it's been had any paintwork, it's been done to a great standard. So being the SL55, it's supercharged obviously, and it's got a great specification from new, including the pan roof which we see there, the quad tailpipes there. Nicely specified car as well. It's got keyless go, in the boot area, spotlessly clean. Most importantly, underneath the boot floor, we're showing no signs of damp, which is a problem for all of these SL models. All the tyre fit stuff, locking wheel bolts and everything's all there. We'll take you in the car and we'll put the top down in a second. So we've got the keyless go, keyless entry, push button start, put the top down, there we see the operation. So there we see the mileage on the car, 67,820. So there's the park sensors. Got Bose music system, heated and cooled seats, obviously navigation. It's got an aftermarket Bluetooth system there which gives you DAB radio and Bluetooth and everything. It can easily be removed. It's hardwired in, but there's no marks on the dashboard or anything. It's got the old telephone cradle fitted there. Engine's running now. So no marks on the car at all. Very, very clean inside and out. On the entry steps there, Mercedes floor mats. We've got the stainless steel sports pedals there. Then we see the coolers and the heaters and the memory seats. Okay, the seats are finished in anthracite. It's not as dark as you would imagine. It's certainly a lot lighter than the black ones. Very usable, and as we look on the seat squads there and the bolsters, lovely condition. Got a CD changer. We've got pulse seats there. Got a windbreak. Carpets in the rear, obviously in lovely condition and everything. Everything's working on the car, as you can see. Great looking car, very usable, very fast. Bargain of the century, these cars. They certainly must be at the low ebb of their pricing. Again, and just passenger side, footwells immaculate, door shuts, entry sills, door cards, all the same story. It's just a lovely, lovely, lovely car. In the back here, as we open the rear case there, we've got a CD changer there, Mercedes CD changer with the cartridge. Again, just spotlessly clean. Passenger seat looks like it's hardly been sat in. So there we are, Mercedes SL55 AMG 2003, 67,000 miles, fabulous service history, immaculate condition, ready to be enjoyed again. If you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit either of our websites, which are Woldside Classics or Thompson Smith, for details and loads of high resolution video photographs of this car. Thanks again. Okay, we'll just give you a buzz of the road in this low mileage SL55 AMG. It's a great car for nipping in and out of traffic. Just a normal drive at the moment, with the suspension set in the middle light. As we've said, it's a big spec car. This commands old telephone system, obviously. It's got heated and cooled seats, massage seats, Bose speakers, CD auto changer in the boot, front and rear park sensors, windbreak, steering dead straight ahead, brakes pull up square, no vibrations. The suspension has been overhauled a few years ago. Traffic's heavy today, but you get an idea how good the car is. Okay, we've changed the transmission settings now, on manual mode now, through the paddle shift on the back of the gearbox, on the back of the steering wheel, I should say. V8 noise. And back into more normal drive. Cruising along. So there we have it. Nice little run over Lincolnshire Wolds on a nice summer's day in an SL55 AMG. Give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website roadsideclassics.co.uk if at all interested. Thank you.